Okay, welcome again as we are back at our hotel and resort. This is Mr. X live in England. It is now 15:38 and we are back. It's very hot. It is very hot. It is very hot here at the Bahia Principe Hotel and Resort here in Runaway Bay, St. Anne's. I am tired. Sun is pelting. Everybody, so I may end up going back down in the swimming pool or go take a relaxation inside the jacuzzi. Yep. So that's what I may do. But let me get out of these clothes and get back into my wet shorts and stuff for the swimming pool. So listen, this is Mr. X live in England. Please like, share and subscribe to Mr. X live in England, and don't forget to hit the subscription button. And for the people who are not in England, not in Jamaica, but from other parts of the world who are watching, please hit that subscription button, because subscription is free of charge. Subscription is free of charge. Just hit the subscription button and show your support and show that you like what you are seeing on Mr. X live in England. That's all. You don't have to pay for anything. You won't be charged for anything. Everything you do is free, and you have your right to comment. We want no foul play or no aggressive or no foul comment about anything that you have seen. You understand? If you don't have anything good to say, don't make any comment. Simple as that. If you have nothing good to say, do not comment. But apart from that, share your comments, your likes and your dislikes, and God bless you. Because remember, there's no me without you. So please support the channel by subscribing to Mr. X live in England, even though I'm in Jamaica on my vacation right now. Today